How often have you found yourself staring at a screen, utterly confused, trying to figure out the best way to get paid internationally or manage your business's global finances? It's a common dilemma in today's interconnected world. For many, the names Payoneer and Airwallex pop up as popular solutions, but what's the actual difference? And which one is the right fit for you or your business? Whether you're a freelancer, a growing startup, or an established e-commerce store, managing international payments efficiently is crucial. The wrong choice can mean higher fees, slower transfers, and a whole lot of unnecessary headaches. You might have heard that Payoneer is great for individual freelancers, while Airwallex is the go-to for scaling businesses. But is that a fair and complete picture? Let's dive deep and break down what each platform offers. We'll start with Payoneer, a name many of you are likely familiar with. Payoneer has built its reputation by catering to the needs of individual professionals and small businesses. Its primary strengths lie in its accessibility and ease of use. If you're a freelance graphic designer in Brazil working for a client in the US, Payoneer makes it incredibly simple to send an invoice and receive your payment directly into your account, often with a physical or virtual debit card to spend your earnings. They've also established strong partnerships with major marketplaces like Amazon, Fiverr, and Upwork, making it a seamless experience for sellers and service providers on these platforms. The fees are generally straightforward, making it easy to understand the costs involved with each transaction. On the other hand, we have Airwallex, a platform that has quickly gained traction by focusing on the more complex needs of growing businesses and enterprises. Think of Airwallex as a comprehensive financial infrastructure for your global business operations. While Payoneer is great for receiving payments, Airwallex helps you not just receive but also manage, spend, and transfer money across different countries and currencies with ease. Their key selling point is their ability to offer local bank accounts in multiple countries, which can significantly reduce foreign exchange costs. They provide a suite of tools for global payment collections, currency conversion at interbank rates, and even the issuance of corporate cards for your team members worldwide. This makes Airwallex a powerful tool for businesses that have a global footprint, needing to manage payroll, supplier payments, and international sales from a single platform. So, the core difference boils down to this: Payoneer is a fantastic and reliable tool for individual freelancers and small businesses with relatively simple international payment needs. It's about getting paid easily and affordably. Airwallex, however, is designed for businesses with more sophisticated requirements. It's not just about receiving money, it's about building a robust global financial system that can scale with your business, offering more advanced features and potentially lower overall costs for high-volume transactions. Choosing between them isn't about which one is better, but which one is better for you. If you're an individual freelancer just starting out, Payoneer's simplicity and lower entry barrier might be the perfect solution. If you're a business with operations in multiple countries and are looking for a way to streamline your global finances, Airwallex's comprehensive platform is likely the way to go. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.